Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how you can effectively promote your online business using Facebook. Whether you're new to this or have some experience, this guide will provide you with practical and actionable steps. Let's dive in. To begin, open up facebook.com. Most of you likely already have a Facebook account, so this part should be straightforward. While Facebook is widely known as a social media platform for connecting with friends and family, it's also an incredibly powerful tool for running and promoting a professional business. If you've already set up a business page, you're halfway there. Facebook allows you to leverage your page to target the right audience, promote your products or services, and boost your sales. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to do all of this step by step. This video is designed to be beginner-friendly, so if you're unfamiliar with Facebook's business tools, don't worry. Even if you already have some experience, I'll introduce you to some tips and tools that could make the process much easier and more efficient. Let's get started without further delay. Once you've logged into your Facebook account, navigate to your pages. On your business page, you'll notice an Advertise button. This option is your gateway to Facebook Ads Manager, which is a dedicated tool for creating and managing advertisements. Before we jump into using the Ads Manager, let's talk briefly about another powerful feature, the Meta Business Suite. Whenever you create a business page on Facebook, you automatically gain access to this suite of tools. The Meta Business Suite streamlines your business management by integrating features like an inbox for messages, a planner for scheduling posts, publishing tools, a dedicated news feed for your business, and even access to business apps. These tools are all designed to help you run your business more efficiently without needing external platforms. Over the years, Facebook has evolved significantly. It's no longer just the platform we remember from years ago. It's now a robust system for businesses to thrive. With features like the Meta Business Suite, managing your business becomes seamless. Now, let's get back to the Advertise button. When you click on it, you'll be presented with two options. You can either start with an automated ad or create one manually from scratch. For this tutorial, I'll walk you through creating a custom ad. Additionally, I'll open the Meta Business Suite in another tab to give you a better overview of how to utilize its features alongside your ad campaigns. In the Meta Business Suite, you'll find tools to view insights, manage multiple pages, and monitor your ads. For now, though, we'll focus on creating an ad. The Create Ad option in Facebook Ads Manager allows you to design a professional ad tailored to your specific business goals. This process involves crafting an ad that not only looks appealing, but also fits within your budget. Let's begin with the creative aspects of your ad. You'll need to upload an eye-catching image that represents your product or service. Next, write a compelling description that clearly explains what you're offering and why your audience should care. Finally, choose an action-oriented button label, such as Shop Now or Learn More, to encourage people to click on your ad. This format ensures that your ad aligns with the standard presentation on Facebook, making it easy for your audience to engage with it. Once your ad is visually ready, the next essential step is defining your target audience. This process is crucial to ensure that your advertisement effectively reaches the individuals most likely to be interested in your business and its offerings. By refining your audience, you maximize the relevance of your ad and increase the chances of engagement and conversions. One key aspect of this step is customizing various parameters that define who your ad will reach. For instance, you can set an age range to match the demographics of your potential customers. In my case, my target audience includes individuals aged between 15 and 60 years old, allowing me to appeal to both younger and older consumers. Another important parameter is gender. Depending on the nature of your product or service, you have the flexibility to target men, women, or both, ensuring your message resonates with the intended audience. Location is another critical consideration, especially for businesses that operate in specific regions or markets. For example, since my business focuses on the UK and China, I make sure to add these countries as target locations in my ad settings. This approach ensures that my advertisements are directed toward audiences in these regions, increasing the likelihood of connecting with people who are genuinely interested in what my business has to offer. Once you've defined these settings, click on Save Audience to finalize your choices. Next, let's discuss scheduling and budgeting. Facebook's advertising platform is very flexible when it comes to budgets. You can define a daily budget that works for you. For instance, if I set a daily budget of 300 rupees, Facebook will provide an estimate of how many people my ad can reach each day. This transparency ensures that you can maximize your reach while staying within your budget. After adding all the necessary details, including payment methods and domain names, if applicable, you'll be able to preview your ad. Facebook provides previews for various formats, including desktop news feeds, videos, and mobile views. Take the time to review how your ad looks in these different formats. Once you're satisfied with the final result, click on Promote Now to launch your ad. As your ad runs, you can use the insights provided by the Meta Business Suite to track its performance. These insights include metrics like page likes, audience demographics, such as age, gender, and location, and ad performance metrics like reach and engagement. By analyzing these insights, you can evaluate how well your campaign is performing and make adjustments to improve future ads. And that's it. Promoting your business on Facebook doesn't have to be complicated. With these tools and steps, you're well equipped to grow your online presence and reach your target audience effectively. In my opinion, Facebook isn't the best place to promote your business. There's a very simple strategy that complete beginners are using to turn their social media pages into a lead generation machine for their business. You never have to spend a dime on paid advertising. It takes a little work to get started, but once you set it up, it's like turning on the faucet and having a constant flow of customers for life. Click the link in the description to learn more.